All right, so we got sitting just up front 4S McLaren GT 650. Yeah, 650. Nice GTR in the satin green. Got 720S from Florida in for service apparently, as well as quite a few other cars. And then we're gonna make our way downstairs. Yo, check out that gold on that Huracan with that custom interior. That interior is beautiful. Wow. I love that. Oh, there they are. Damn. That's insane. Those things are just bonkers to look at. So this right here is a Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, designed to absolutely destroy any top speed record ever set. 300 miles an hour, 1200 brake horsepower, speed tail fins, super long tail, absolutely insane. Versus over here you got the Koenigsegg Gemera, 1600 horsepower, room for 4 people, 6'6" each, and their carry-on, top speed of over 200, with 3 of your friends. So what's crazy about this is y'all got 8 cup holders in it for 2 drinks for each person. 1 cup holder is heated and 1 is cooled too, which is insane.
And the 2 screens?
Yes, and the 2 screens. I have no clue what for, but yeah. Look at all this dry carbon on it. This is so cool. And this is a 3-cylinder making 1600 horsepower. Okay, I was just informed that this was 17 on this and 16 on the Jesko. Thank you. So you got 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. So 2.2 with 4 people in it, and no wing mirrors on it because cameras. Just I'm sitting here more and there's more and more things. You got interior lighting running through the door all the way into the back right there and across the back. It just makes a giant ring around it. And look at like the mirror. Your mirror in this case is a camera. So the 4 options, the Gemera starts at 1.9 and the Jesko Absolute starts at 2.2. Or I think just the Jesko is 2.2. It's like 2.8 for the Absolute. Apparently we got 765 LT here too. Somebody bought. Nice. Chicane effect gray. I love this color. I just can't get over these things. Obviously, I like the Gemera more just because of the technical engineering aspect behind it, but that Jesko is nuts. And then just coming outside, we got a couple Porsches, a couple just McLarens. It's fine. Nice S-Class. Is that a Supra? I'll leave. I'm sorry. That was so dumb of me. I'll leave. I got JD cracking up for it. So, the CEO of Koenigsegg, Christian von Koenigsegg, specifically built the Gemera so that 4 of him can fit in it. Because he wanted to be able to have 4 of himself fit in a car that he designed. And he's a big dude. He's like 6'3", 280 pounds. All muscle builder. This S-Class also, S63, big V8, making 600 something horsepower. Tinted windows, limo class all around. Nice, I love these. Ooh, big old G squared sitting here. Big boy. These things are huge, they're like 8.5 feet. Oop. Look at that noise. What do you have the front window?
Just chilling out in the...
Dude, I love the purple.
That purple is like one of my favorite colors you can ever get on a McLaren.
I've got a Hot Wheels in that purple.
Do you?
I think I sent it to the group chat last time I was down here of the Hot Wheels next to that one. Ooh, satin black.
Yeah.
Like it. I don't think there's any cars here that I don't like. I'll say like it to everything, but ooh, GT3, yeah. Somebody just bought that. Or no, those are all service cars in right there. Yeah, because they all have plates. Or like just sold cars or something. Back inside looking at these things because they're just so cool. Dude, I forgot, Koenigseggs have mono wipers. They have mono wipers. Mono wipers are the coolest thing in the world. This thing is just so cool on the inside. Like, look at those screens, and the entire thing is just awesome. Look at the size of the rear brake. That rear brake is the size of my wheel. Yeah, so you got a little 3-cylinder that makes, and a hybrid system that makes 1,700 horsepower in this. Absolutely insane. So in here, that screen rotates with the steering wheel so that as you turn, it will just stay level. Yeah, those rear seats look surprisingly spacious considering that's all the way back. So you got the split window, kind of like a couple other supercars, or like JD mentioned, the Subaru SVS.
Subaru SVS.
Oh, built-in tow hook too. Dude, look at the size of the brakes needed to be able to slow you down from 300. Those brakes, what are those, probably 16-inch brakes?
Yeah, probably.
And like the front arrow, just to keep you on the ground at 300 miles an hour.
Arrow in the back.
Yep. Yeah, this whole thing is just designed about straight line speed. And so this has, what was like a 0.22 drag coefficient or something like that, like lowest of any production car. So every Koenigsegg ever made, except for the Gemera, is a target top, which means in this car you could do probably 280 with the roof off, assuming it's not electronically limited. And that seems super terrifying. Look at the quality of this weave. It just lines up perfectly at every single weave spot. That's the Koenigsegg quality right there. That's why you buy Koenigseggs. That's not the only reason you buy Koenigseggs, but that's why Koenigseggs are my favorite. This is no bigger than my roommate's Golf, but it does 300 miles an hour. And it's only like as tall as a Corvette. Like this is basically the same dimensions as a Corvette, just a little bit longer off the back for the speed tail. So you got a sick
Vinyl work, or is that?
No, that is all paint work.
Yeah, they did the outlining with this.
It's so it's the 620R and it's based off of the 570S GT4, but with road legal stuff, airbags basically. That's about it. Everything else is just ripped off of the race car.
A solid carbon seat.
Yep.
And like no padding in it. The floor is so much carbon.
Dude, look at this. So this is, I think, the only vinyl stuff on it. It's the 620R on the. Or is that even? No, the R is definitely vinyl.
Yeah, the R is vinyl.
But otherwise, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
These things are just nutty. Race car for the road. Coffin people, get out of that. What do you do? Coffin dancers. It's got 6 doors. What do you do? Okay, that thing's actually kind of dope though.
Yeah.
Like, you got 6 doors on it. It's lifted.
14 wide mud tires on it.
Dude, I'd rock it.
I'll run it.
I'd take that mudding for sure. I like the 4-seater.
Like that darker kind of color.
The satin graphite gray. Or not, that's not even satin, it's just the graphite gray. As opposed to like the obnoxious one outside.
Right.
Yeah. The TRX has been out for a month and a half and somebody's already traded it in on something here. Dude, I bet you he brought it home and his wife is like, no. Just immediately, no. And she's like, go get an SUV. It's like, oh.
Doesn't even look all that much used. To get to Levante.
Yeah. Brand new.
Very comparable.
Doesn't have the spare tire on the back.
But from the looks of it,
oh no.
This one right here, this one.
Somebody just bought it maybe. May 7th, that means
May 7th.
That bought it a couple days ago and haven't picked it up.
30 days.
So we've taken a detour to Porsche Littleton because they always just have cool Porsches here. Such as a 911 Executive. JD, it's a GT2 RS.
2 RS, so manual?
Nah, the 2 RSs I think were only available with the PDK. But that's because, you know, you can't get a 2.80 to 6. 200? 300.
344.
344. Amazing. I love that red interior though. And the stripes running through the shifter.
Okay. Oh, so I'm going to ruin this car for you. Eyes, smile.
Yep. There's 2 of them. So these were limited to like 350, I think.
Is there really?
Yeah, like they're super rare, I know that. And the fact that there's 2 of them is insane. This red, what's the name of the red? I love Porsche colors. And dude, Targa as well.
Targa.
I never realized up until a couple days ago that the Targas are powered top. Like it's a powered top.
Really?
Yeah, because I saw a photo of it open. I'm like, oh, okay, it's a powered top. Dude, look at the gold. It's like Iron Man almost. But like, awesome.
See something in my
I can't tell if that's Miami blue or Mexico blue. I can never tell the difference. But chalk white GT2 RS as well.
The 911 that's down.
Oh yeah, the old one.
Old one there. Older 911 over here. Very
You got
nice.
996 or 98. Yeah, 996 sitting in the backpack there.
Yeah.
And they have a 918 Spider. Because 918 Spider. So that's 3 Hypercars today.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the alternate color wheel caps as well. Blue for the passenger, red for the driver's side. To keep them threaded properly, and because that's a Le Mans touch. So they have blue wheel caps on for the passenger side and red for the driver's side, so that when you're doing quick change wheels, you don't lose which is which side. So there you see red wheel cap.
Is that touch for the fuel cap?
The fuel cap looks insane. It's absolutely beautiful. That's a mouse. That's a computer mouse. That was loud. I don't know what that was. That's a computer mouse. It's a Martini Racing Porsche. I want that. So this is the first time I've actually been back here in the backside of Porsche Littleton, and yeah, they got Porsche gear if you want some. For example, you want a Porsche hat? You have a Porsche hat.
Oh, hold on.
Or a turbo hat?
You gotta have the Porsche turbo flip-flops.
There you go. Turbo flip-flops. You want a Porsche whiskey glass? Yeah, that's whiskey and that's wine, I think. I don't know much about alcohol. Dude, look at these phone cases. These phone cases are actually sick and actually not super expensive. Here's a mouse if you want
Oh,
one.
mouse, yeah, 120 bucks. Gee.
Look at those sunglasses. The sunglasses are sick, but also $300.
Yeah. The pen.
Taycan Turbo S. My car has more turbos than a Taycan Turbo S.
So I put on 4S
4S, Turbo S.
in a meeting room.
Nice. His and hers?
Yeah, sure.
That's a full cage. Aww. He didn't rip away. Polar opposites. Yeah, I love your car. It's just such a cool car.
Thanks, man.
Little legacy wagon. Half black and tan interior.
Kind of dirty, but
It's all good.
waiting for.
Nice. The spicy start. All right, those Koenigseggs, off it goes. Those Koenigseggs are absolutely bonkers to look at. They're insane, beautiful cars. And also the 918 was pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you stay around, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell so you guys are notified. And I will catch you guys next time.